So here is the Temu code tutorial to get 30% discount and more. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle. And you can use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So once you're in the website, click on this 30% off offer on the top. After that, you will get to see that you need to reach a certain amount of orders in order to receive this discount. So what you need to do is go through the products on the bottom. So scroll through the page and select whichever products that you want. You can check out different products and add them to your cart. So I will go with this watch right here. After that, go ahead and go to the checkout section. And once you're in the checkout page, under order summary, type in the code ACR697477 and hit apply. After that, you will get your additional 30% discount and then just click on submit order.